everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're like me and nothing beats the smell of fresh baked pizza wafting through your backyard on a summer night, then buckle up because today we're diving into something that's about to change your pizza game forever. I'm talking about the Gozney Arc XL pizza oven. This bad boy is the compact powerhouse that's turning home cooks into pizza pros. Available right now on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, you don't want to miss out on grabbing one. Let's jump right in and see why this oven is firing up kitchens everywhere. First off, let's break down what makes the Gozney Arc XL so special. This isn't your average pizza maker. It's designed like a mini wood-fired dream but runs on propane for that easy, no-fuss setup. The standout feature? Its innovative lateral rolling flame system. Picture this, a wide burner that shoots flames across the top of the oven, mimicking the heat of a traditional brick oven, but in a sleek, portable package. It cranks up to a scorching 950 degrees Fahrenheit in no time, cooking a full 16-inch pizza in just 60 seconds. Yeah, you heard that right. Restaurant quality pies, leopard spotted crust and all, without waiting around. The build quality is top-notch too. You've got a 20mm thick removable cordiorite stone floor that's perfect for that crispy bottom, and double layer insulation that keeps the heat locked in, even after back-to-back bakes. No more cold spots or soggy dough here. It's spacious inside with a 16.8 by 20.3 inch cooking area, so you can slide in those big family-sized pizzas or even switch it up with steaks, fish or veggies. The doors are generous 16.8 inches wide, making it super easy to maneuver your dough without burning your fingers. And at about 58 pounds, it's sturdy but still portable enough to wheel out to the patio. Oh, and it comes with a handy infrared thermometer so you can check temps like a pro. Forget guessing games. Controls are a breeze with intuitive dials for precise flame adjustment. Want a Neapolitan-style char? Crank it high. Going for a slower New York fold? Dial it back. It's versatile for all pizza styles and beyond, and setup is as simple as connecting your propane tank and lighting it up. No assembly headaches. Priced around $850, it's an investment, but when you taste the results, you'll see it's worth every penny. Now, let's talk pros and cons because I want to keep it real with you. On the pro side, the heat control is unreal. That lateral flame gives even distribution, so every slice comes out perfect. No flipping or fussing. Users rave about how relaxing it is to cook with. The spacious interior means less stress, more fun. The design? Sleek and modern, it looks like a piece of art on your counter or patio. Heat retention is a game changer. It stays hot pizza after pizza, saving time and gas. And the versatility? Grill up some veggies or sear a steak right after your pie. It's a multi-tool for outdoor cooking. But hey, no product's perfect. The main con is the price tag. At $850, it's not budget-friendly for casual cooks. It's also a bit heavier than smaller models, so if you're moving it solo often, that might be a workout. The stand isn't included, so factor that in if you want it elevated. And while the built-in gauge is there, stick to the included infrared thermometer for accuracy. Some folks say the gauge runs a tad off. Overall, though, the pros crush the cons for anyone serious about great food. So, my recommendation? Absolutely go for the Gozney Arc XL if you're tired of takeout and ready to level up your home pizza nights. The pros, that killer heat, ease of use and pro-level results make total sense for families, foodies, or anyone who hosts. It's not just an oven, it's a ticket to endless backyard parties and wow-worthy meals. If that sounds like you, click that link in the description right now and snag yours. It's the smartest way to fire up some magic. Before we wrap, if you're loving these reviews, hit that subscribe button for more gear breakdowns and recipe tips. And seriously, click the affiliate link below. It supports the channel at no extra cost to you and gets you the best deal. Finally, don't forget to use the link below for the absolute best pricing, including special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with your pizza-loving friends, or subscribe for more. Catch you in the next one.